done for the business, for the partners, for the agencies, for the team, and personally for me. You've been of great help to me in terms of coming up to speed in Google. You truly have been an example for everybody in terms of the way you conduct yourself, in terms of the way you've carried the team together, in terms of the way you help everybody else, and on top of it, you are a true gentleman, and that too, despite having long hairs. Now, you're going to chase your dreams every day. It is a fantastic opportunity for you and your family to go to Mountain View. So, best wishes from my side to you and your family to settle well in Mountain View, and personally to you in terms of doing well in your career. And I'm more than confident you'll rock there. So, all the best. Take care.
Alright, so Sid, amazing guy. I mean, he's the one who took my interview first of all, so he put me here. And never thought that when I saw Sid first time, I never imagined that he would be with the long hair. So that was my first shock about him. But an amazing chap. We're gonna really miss him. Have a best career ahead.
Yeah, so Sid is the worst manager I've ever had. I'm personally glad that he is going. All the time keeps using family as an excuse to not come for our parties. Doesn't take a decision, always asks us to sort things out. So I'm glad you're moving, Sid, and hopefully our paths won't cross again in the near future. Thank you.
Hey Sid, we miss you!
Hey Sid, all the best in MTV. I'm sure you're going to do very well. I've heard, though I've not worked directly with you, but I've heard great things about you, mainly from my friend Sekar, who used to say that you used to fix GRM tasks and all that for him. So, and I've really heard great stuff about you. So all the best. Thanks.
I said, wish you all the best firstly, and now we have a place to stay when we go to Mountain View. I think you're one of the most dynamic managers I've come across. Unfortunately, I never got the chance to work under you. That was one wish I had when I joined the team, but hopefully our paths will cross sometime in the future. All the best.
Said, I've worked a long time. Good luck when you move to Mountain View, but few things that come to my mind when I think of Sid. Talent to speak the politically right things. Wake up and come to office at 6:20. Once I've come before you, and great company to drink with. Cheers.
Hey Sid, I think you're an absolute rock star. You've always been so very helpful with anything that I've wanted, mostly related to dashboards and data. But here's wishing you all the best. We'll miss having you here.
Hey Sid, I'm sure that you're going to miss all 1 minute conversation with me, which used to go for 10 minutes for sure, before any meeting where we used to go to meet Ujjwal. So yeah, all the best for your future role. Thank you very much.
Sid, I'm really, really sorry, but what I say, ignore all that. You're a sexy guy. I love that long hair, and I'm going to miss you. Cheers.